Let me show you how easy it is to get your Riccar R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum loaded with solution and ready to deep clean. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and check out how easy this is to set this up. So one of the things I like to do, there are two ways you can do this. Number one, you can remove the solution tank and go fill it in the sink and do all of this in the sink if you prefer to. I like just being able to do it right here on the unit. So you have the Riccar cleaning solution and some water. Tabs right here to open the solution tank. You're gonna need 2 capfuls of this Riccar cleaning solution in your solution tank. So again, 2 capfuls. Then we're gonna take, and this is roughly 2 cups of water capacity in this solution tank, so we're just gonna go ahead and fill the tank up. Okay, so now we've got the solution and the water in the clean solution tank, and we're ready to use our Riccar R70 mop. Happy vacuuming.